Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your WordPress website step by step. So we will change the logo, title, tagline, site icon, and we will also learn how to customize the layout, colors and fonts. If you are a beginner, don't worry at all, I will explain everything in a very simple and easy way. So let's get started. First go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Appearance and then click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer section where you can make changes and see them live on your website. So now let's start with the site identity section. Once you click on it, you will see four main options. Site title, this is the name of your website. You can type whatever you like here. Tagline, this is a short description or slogan for your site. You can write something catchy. Logo, you can upload your own logo. Just click on select logo, upload your logo image, and that's it. Next option is site icon. This is the small icon that shows in the browser tab. Just uploaded a square image and it's appeared there. Now this section is complete. Click back to the main menu. Next we will go to the layout option. Here you can choose if you want a sidebar on the right or left side or no sidebar at all. But since we are making a blogging website, I recommended keeping the sidebar. It helps your visitor easily see posts, categories and other widgets. You will also see more layout options here, but we will leave them for later once your fully website is ready. So go back and now let's change the colors of your website. Click on the color section. Here you will see options: body background color, header color, text color, button color and other elements. Let's start with the body background color. Just choose a color that fits your brand. In the same way you can change other colors one by one, whatever you like. So now go back. Now it's time to set up your fonts, which are really important for your website look. Click on typography and here you will see two things: add font and add typography. One more thing, you can set different font sizes for desktop, tablet and mobile so your site looks good on every device. So for example, in add font we choose Roboto. In add typography we will apply to all headings and adjust the size for desktop and mobile. Just repeat the same process for body text, buttons and any other text on your website. So now let's go back and open the general section. Here you will see an option called icon type. You will get two choices, SVG and font. Just leave it on SVG. No need to change anything else here. So now go back. After this you will see options for menu and widgets, but we will cover those on the next video. Don't worry, we will go step by step. So once you will made all your changes, click the publish button at the top to save everything. Now let's go back to the dashboard, open the website and check it out. Look at that all changes we made, logo, color, fonts, layout are now visible on the live site. So that's how you can easily customize your WordPress website even if you are just starting out. In the next video, we will learn how to create pages and set a static home page or show latest blog post on your home screen.